गुरु प्यारी साध संगत जीओ, वाहेगुरु जी का खालसा, वाहेगुरु जी की फतेह। सिख मिशनरी सोसाइटी सिंगापुर सेंटर सिख गुरुद्वारा सिंगापुर की तरफों तुहाडा बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद। A very warm welcome to everyone for joining us in this evening session. So today topic is on faith prosa. In our last session, we discussed about Dhyan and we discussed the different techniques, how we can connect ourselves with the divine. So today, Sat Sangat ji, we are going to change the pattern of our presentation. Today, we will keep it interactive. I need your support because previously, the first half an hour, I share Gurbani wisdom. Then after that, we discuss. Today, we will discuss at the same time, even the first slide about this topic, because this topic is very beautiful and very fascinating. And in our daily ardas, we always seek ਭਰੋਸਾ ਦਾਨ, ਸਿੱਖਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਸਿੱਖੀ ਦਾਨ, ਕੇਸ ਦਾਨ, ਰਹਿਤ ਦਾਨ, ਵਿਸਾਹ ਦਾਨ. We seek for ਭਰੋਸਾ ਦਾਨ. Why ਭਰੋਸਾ is so important in our life? So what would you like to take away from today's session? If you want to share your view, I can unmute you. If you want to share your views in chat, okay, whatever way you feel, you are free to discuss your views. If you want to share, you can raise your hand, then I can unmute you. So what would you like to take away from today's sessions? Because today we will keep it interactive, the first 5-10 minutes. Then I will share the Gurbani gems. After that, we will follow the same pattern. Any input, please? You can send the message in chat box. What would you like to take away from today's sessions? The second is, how do you understand faith? What does it mean to you? Even you can reply the both answer, your inputs for the both question. One Panji saying faith in Vaheguru and self. Then she said trust. Okay, so understanding of faith means trust in Vaheguruji and in self. That's very nice. Thank you very much, Panji. Thank you very much. Really appreciate. So Satsangat ji, let's discuss about today's topic. Then maybe after 13 minutes, we will discuss again. So faith, when we look at internet, the meaning of faith from the internet dictionary is strong belief in the doctrines of a religion based on spiritual conviction rather than proof. It means in religious doctrines, we cannot prove everything. We don't need proof to prove our concepts, our ideology. This is the English meaning of the word faith. But when we look at Mahan Kosh, the encyclopedia of Sikhi, Pai Khan Singh Nabha, he mentioned prosa is coming from the word pravasa. Then furthermore, he explained what is pravasa is Paddar Asha. Paddar means ultimate, supreme. Asha means hope, ultimate hope. Paddar Vishwash, Satya Parosa. The faith, which is truth. The asha, which is the hope, which is ultimate. So in both contexts, English meaning and Punjabi meaning both are different actually. So in Gurbani context, Guru Patsha explains Ram Janako Ram Purosa. The Lord's humble servant placed their faith in the Lord. In Gurbani context, faith means Purosa means trust in Vaheguru. Trust in the existence. So it is not an doctrines. So this is the ultimate truth for the devotees, for the Sangat. So this is Gurbani perspective on Vaheguruji. Ki Ram Jana ko Ram Parosa, the Lord devotees, the Lord followers, they keep their faith in Vaheguruji. So in Gurbani context, Bharosa means keep your trust only in Vaheguru Ji, not anybody else. If I ask very simple question, why faith is important in our life? Why Bharosa is so important? Just think for a while, Satsangat Ji. If there is no Bharosa, if there is no this value, then just imagine what kind of life we will live in this world. Life where is no Bharosa, no trust on anybody. Children, they don't trust on their parents. Parents have no faith on their children. A husband never trusts on his wife. A wife never trusts on husband. So what kind of world will become? There will be totally chaos. Just imagine for a short while, if there is no trust. Just for example, I am staying here in Singapore and I don't trust on my family, on my wife, then what will I do? If I create doubts in my mind, can I make my relationship happier with my family, with my wife? Cannot. In the same way, if there is no hope, no faith in Vaheguruji, then what kind of a relationship we can make with Vaheguruji? Now, this is worldly perspective. When we keep faith in Vaheguruji, it means we build our relationship. So as a parents, our children, whenever they demand anything, sometimes we fulfill their demands. And sometimes we know what is good and what is not good for them. We don't provide them whatever they seek, but they may get annoyed when they don't get whatever they ask, but they keep trust in us, in their parents. For a short while, they may get annoyed, but in the long run, they always keep trust on their parents. Similarly, we are the children of Vaheguruji. We say in Gurbani, Tu mera pita, tu hai mera mata. When we ask for something from Vaheguruji, sometimes Vaheguru fulfill our wishes and sometimes Vaheguru doesn't fulfill. But as a worldly being, human being, ਸਾਡਾ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਭਰੋਸਾ ਨਾ ਡਾਮਾਡੋਲ ਹੋ ਜਾਂਦਾ. Sometimes we start complaining, why Vaheguru didn't fulfill my desire? I was doing part, I was going every day to Gurdwara Sahib. So just imagine this word had a great impact on our life. With Bharosa, everything is possible. Now the second question is, what does faith means in daily life? Faith moves, as the quote said, faith moves mountain, doubt creates them. So this is the faith. So it brings every relationship closer. When we trust on somebody, then we can open our heart to that person. If we don't trust, we will never open. From morning till evening, wherever we go, we keep, if we have faith on Vaheguruji, then we can resolve many problems in our life because we feel there is some divine figure behind us, divine force behind us, which is protecting us, which is standing with me, which is guiding me throughout my life. If there is no trust, then we discussed what kind of life it will be. Totally chaos, no trust on anybody. Always doubts are running in our mind. We need to think about it. So with Bharosa, we can make our relationship happier. It ties us with the loving relationship. We can believe, it becomes us wise. So this is a very powerful value in our life. Now we need to understand what Gurbani explains about Bharosa, but before that, I'm going to share a Punjabi quote. Vaheguru nu manana ate Vaheguru vich bharosa rakhna do vakh-vakh vartare han. Vaheguru nu manana means don't take it from Gurbani perspective in Gurbani context, because in Gurbani context, manana has a very deeper meaning. Please understand the manana on a very superficial level, as we are using this manana in our daily life in modern time. Just for example, some people says ਸ਼੍ਰੀ ਗੁਰੂ ਗ੍ਰੰਥ ਸਾਹਿਬ ਜੀ ਨੂੰ ਗੁਰੂ ਤੇ ਸਾਰੇ ਮੰਨਦੇ ਨੇ, ਪਰ ਗੁਰੂ ਦੀ ਕੋਈ ਨਹੀਂ ਮੰਨਦਾ, which means many people believe in Shri Guru Granth Sahib, but they are very dear who really follow the teachings of Shri Guru Granth Sahib in their life. And this quote is in the same context. ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਨੂੰ ਮੰਨਣਾ ਅਤੇ ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਵਿੱਚ ਭਰੋਸਾ ਰੱਖਣਾ ਦੋ ਵੱਖ, both are different things. Because sometimes we say, I have faith in Vaheguru, but at the same time, doubts come to our mind. Sometimes there is fear in our life. Sometimes we are shaky. Our mind is fickle. Just we are saying, I have faith in Vaheguru, but internally there is doubt in my mind. We need to understand that Vaheguru nu manana. There are a lot of people who believe in God. They may call him Allah, they may call him Vaheguru, they may call him Ram, but there are very few who really keep bharosa on Vaheguru ji. So when we look at Gurbani, how Gurbani build our bharosa in Vaheguru ji. In Gurbani, Guru Patsha used many words. Just for example, sometime Guru Patsha said, "Tu mera rakha sabni thai." The word rakha, Ved, Ot, As, Ang Sang, it makes a lot of difference in our life. When we say tu mera rakha sabni thai, we believe, we keep bharosa, Vaheguru is my protector. Everywhere, wherever I go, Vaheguru is with me. When we say mera Ved Guru Gobinda, ਇਸ ਦੁਨਿਆਵੀ ਵੈਦ ਤੋਂ ਬਾਅਦ ਇੱਕ ਮੇਰਾ ਉਹ ਵੀ ਵੈਦ ਹੈਗਾ ਆ ਜਿਹਦੇ ਹੱਥ 'ਚ ਮੇਰੀ ਜਾਨ ਹੈ, because my life is in hands of the in Vaheguru, that the ultimate physician, and he has the power to cure my all ailments or diseases. Bhagat Kabir ji explains very beautifully in his sloks, Kabir वैद कहे हूं ही भला दारू मेरे वस एह तो वस्त गोपाल की जब भावे लेखा. Sometimes doctor says to a cancer patient, you have only 3 months, you cannot survive more than 3 months, and the patient, he or she, they survive for 1.5 years, for 2 years. What is the reason? We need to find the reason, because they keep faith in Vaheguru ji. As Bhagat Kabir ji says, Kabir Ved kahe hum hi pala daru mere vas. A physician says, I am the doctor and medicine is under my control, but my life is under the hands of Vaheguru. Eh to vast gopal ki. So that's why the people, they faith, hope in Vaheguru, faith, bharosa in Vaheguru ji, and they live more. Not only 3 months. Ot, we say in our ardas, ਨਿਮਾਣਿਆਂ ਦੇ ਮਾਣ ਨਿਤਾਣਿਆਂ ਦੇ ਤਾਣ ਨਿਓਟਿਆਂ ਦੀ ਓਟ. Those who don't have any sport, Vaheguru is their sport. ਆਸ ਏਕ ਆਸ ਰੱਖੋ ਮਨ ਮਾਹੇ ਸਰਬ ਰੋਗ ਨਾਨਕ ਮਿਟ ਜਾਹੇ. Keep hope only on one Vaheguru, your all suffering will be eliminated. Vaheguru is my ang sang. So there are many words, many shabad in Gurbani used by Guru Patsha to build our faith on Vaheguru ji. I am just sharing very few satsangat ji. So when we read Gurbani, we always feel Vaheguru is my ang sang. He is my rakha, he is my protector. As a parents, we are not with our children at all times. We have faith in Vaheguru ji. We do ardas wherever they go. Vaheguru ji, tusi rakhe, tusi ang sang ho bachchiyan de. So these words make a difference. As Gurbani explained, मान महत तुम्हारे ऊपर तुमरी ओट तुम्हारी सरना रहाओ तुमरी आस भरोसा तुमरा तुमरा नाम हृदय ले तरना. How beautiful Guruji explained here. मान महत ओट सरना आस भरोसा. In one words, Guru Patsha used many adjectives. Guru Patsha explains, मान, you are my honor, you are my glory, you are my sport, I am in your sanctuary, I have hope on you, you are my faith. So this is Gurbani Satsangat. A seeker always keep hope on Vaheguru ji. We may call him Mata Pita, we may call him Rakha. So all these words makes our trust, build our trust on Vaheguru ji. This is just one example. There are many more in Gurbani. When we read Gurbani, Guru Patsha used many divine figures, anecdotes to explain Sometime Guru Patsha says, Naam japyo ji, aise aase through Prahlad japyo har jaise. So there are many divine figures at the same time. The devils, the demons are also in Gurbani. In modern context, people say they are mythological character. Why Guru Patsha mentioned those characters in Gurbani? That is more important rather than to understand whether they were mythological or historical figures. Because Guru Patsha concern is different. When Guru Patsha explains about their stories, what does it mean? So these are the figures who kept their hope in Vaheguruji. We know Dhruv and Prahlad, they were just small kids when they started walking on the path of Vaheguruji, and they meditate on Vaheguru and they obtained him. To inspire us, Guru Patsha mentioned all these anecdotes in Gurbani. How Lord Krishna protected Draupadi. So in Gurbani, Guru Patsha explained her Jug Jug Pagat Upaya Paj Rakhda Aya Ram Raje. You protect your devotees in all ages. Now, do we have trust? Vaheguru is with us. He is always protecting us. We need to understand. So this is very important, Satsangaji. Whenever we read Gurbani, each word is very important. Why Guru Patsha included that Shabad, that word, we need to understand. We need to contemplate on that. Now, so when Bharosa is undermined, because sometimes we say we keep Bharosa on Vaheguruji, but that Bharosa is not pure Bharosa, that is a conditional Bharosa. Sometimes some people say, Vaheguru blessed me with everything. I have fully trust on Vaheguruji. He gave me everything in my life. I am so happy. I am so blessed. Whatever I wish in my life, Vaheguru has given me and he's still loving me. But after some time, after few months, the same person start complaining against Vaheguruji, because when something bad happened to the person, then the Bharosa convert into doubts. The same person said, why me? Why it happened me? I was going to Gurdwara every day. I never did wrong in my life. I always follow Gurbani path. This is not a deed between us and Vaheguruji when we are walking on this path. The moment when doubts come into our mind, it means our Bharosa is not firm. It was conditional Bharosa. It was based on certain condition. Vaheguru was providing me everything and I was keeping faith on Vaheguruji. Then the doubts come. Why it happened with me? Our faith is wavering. It's not constant. We need to understand, Satsangaji, the nature of our mind. Just for example, sometime when something bad happened with us, what we do? Okay, my friend came, I am following Gurbani path. He or she said, okay, you are passing through a hard times. You are doing ardas every day, but I think somebody has done something to you, to your family. That's why things are not happening easy or good. There are many people. At the time, what we do, we start doubting on Vaheguruji because our Bharosa was conditional. We was not stable. There are different doubts in our mind. Even sometimes the doubts come, is there really God exists in this world or not? If God exists, and why there is suffering in this world? Many doubts because our mind is fickle. Hare Bharose di kaat hegi hai. So just for example, somebody say in a difficult time, you should do something else. Don't go Gurdwara, don't do Ardas, try something else. And I know sometime ਉਹ ਇੰਨਾ ਇਨਫਲੂਐਂਸ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਉਸ ਬੰਦੇ ਦਾ, ਅਸੀਂ ਉਸ ਤੇ ਪ੍ਰਭਾਵ ਹੇਠ ਆ ਜਾਂਦੇ ਹਾਂ, ਸਾਡਾ ਗੁਰੂ ਤੋਂ ਭਰੋਸਾ ਟੁੱਟ ਜਾਂਦਾ ਹੈ. One beautiful Sakhi explained by Bhai Veer Singh Ji, when Guru Gobind Singh Patsha, he lost everything. He was in the Dina Kangar side, from where Guru Patsha wrote the Epistle of Victory, Zafarnama, to Emperor Aurangzeb. There was a devotee, his name was Chaudhary Shamir. He was devotee of Guru Gobind Singh Patsha. Every day he served food to Guruji. And one day Guru Patsha blessed him. One day you will become the chief of this area. Wherever you ride with your horse, the area will become under you, will come under you. Shamir was very happy. When he went back to his home, he shared Guru's blessing with his family. At the same time, his maternal uncle was sitting there. Then he questioned him. You are talking about which Guru? He has lost everything. Even he lost his sons, his family, his home, and he is giving you blessing. How can his blessing be fulfilled? So this Sakhi is very beautiful, Satsangati, how his maternal uncle created doubts in the mind of Chaudhary Shamir. The one negative thoughts can change the state, can change our state of mind. And these kind of people are living with us in our surrounding. We need to identify these people. Because if there is doubt, we cannot keep faith on Vaheguruji. And this Sakhi is very beautiful. I don't want to discuss. We will discuss in detail this Sakhi, what happened when the doubts come. So what to do when this kind of thoughts are coming to our mind, when we have doubts, our prosa is conditional, then what to do, what Gurbani explains. Because our spiritual journey is based on Gurbani. So in Gurbani, Guru Patsha give us many techniques. The first one is when there is doubts. When we are damadol hunne na jadon Guru Patsha kende a tu kahe dole praniya tudd rakhega sirjanhar. Because Guru Patsha know that this mind is weak. This mind is a worldly mind. So the first thing which we need to do is ardas. Main ajan jan tarib na jano baap beetla bahde. I don't know how to cross this terrifying ocean of Vaheguruji. You protect me. You hold my arm. So ardas is the very important vehicle to keep bharosa on Vaheguruji. Whenever doubts come, Sat Sangat, do ardas. Dolan te rakho Prabhu Nanak dekh rahat. Sanu menu dolan to rakh. Mera man kabra raya, dol raya hai. Then sangat. The sangat with the right people is very important. Thus, for example, I shared the story of Chaudhary Shamir, how his faith wavered when his maternal uncle put a negative thought in his mind. And this thing happened, Satsangaji. I would like to share a personal experience of my life when I was doing service at Harmandir Sahib before coming to Singapore. One day I was waiting for someone and I was sitting in the information office at Harmandir Sahib. An old man, he came and he was very close to the information officer. I was reading newspaper and both started their conversation. The old man shared his life experience. He was sharing that when he was doing business in his young age, he was losing money every day. Every day he was coming to Harmandir Sahib, doing his ardas, but Vaheguru was not fulfilling his ardas. Day by day, he was losing money, his business going down, and he was saying that I was thinking one day I will be on streets. There will be no house. Everything will be gone. Then one of his friend, he told him, you are doing ardas at Harmandir Sahib, you should try something else. You should go somewhere else. And the person asked that old man, so where should I go? He said, you go to Jwalamukhi. This is a goddess where Guru Angad Dev Pasa used to go before meeting Guru Nanak Dev Ji. He said, कि मेनू मेरा हो लग गया कि okay, let's go there, try do their ardas there. Let's see what happens. Next day, the person with his wife, they started their journey and they reached at Dharamshala. They उन्होंने क्या कि रात पै चुकी सी, it was night and they thought they stay here in the hotel and tomorrow morning they will resume their journey. So tomorrow morning they again started their journey. So after some time, his wife said, I think we are going towards wrong direction. The signboard is saying we are going towards Amritsar. The person said, no, We are not going towards wrong direction. We are going towards the right directions. He said, what happened? We supposed to go to Jwalaji. He said, no, today we are going now. We are going back to Harmandir Sahib, to Amritsar Sahib. She said, why? And the person asked, if our ardas is fulfilled, then what will happen? The lady, his wife said, then our golden days will come back again. Our business will be on top again. So the good time will come again. The person said, then what we will lose? He said, wife said, I think ਅਸੀਂ ਕੁਝ ਵੀ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਘਾਟਾ ਨਹੀਂ ਪੈਣਾ, ਤੁਸੀਂ ਇੰਨੀਆਂ ਗੱਲਾਂ ਕਿਉਂ ਕਰ ਰਹੇ ਹੋ? Then the person said, we will lose our ਭਰੋਸਾ from ਗੁਰੂ ਰਾਮਦਾਸ ਪਾਤਸ਼ਾਹ ਦਰ, ਕਿ ਸਾਡਾ ਗੁਰੂ ਨਾਨਕ ਪਾਤਸ਼ਾਹ ਦੇ ਦਰ ਤੋਂ ਹਮੇਸ਼ਾ ਲਈ ਭਰੋਸਾ ਟੁੱਟ ਜਾਏਗਾ. And the person said, then he came back, he reached at Amritsar and he did again ardas to Waheguru to at Harmandir Sahib, and his wish fulfilled after 1 month. So this was a very inspirational life experience for me. ਕਿ ਮੇਰੇ ਮਨ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਇਸ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਅੱਜ ਤੱਕ ਪਿਆ ਹੈਗਾ ਕਿ ਇਹ ਭਰੋਸਾ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਹੈ. When the difficult time comes, ਸਾਧ ਸੰਗਤ ਜੀ, so the sangat of right people is very important. And the next step is Sakhis, because in Sakhis we know how the great Sikhs, they sacrificed their lives, how Baba Banda Singh Bahadur, Bhai Mani Singh, they cut limb by limb, but they didn't forsake, they didn't abandon their faith. Sakhis plays a very important role in our life. So even in Shri Guru Granth Sahib, we mentioned, Guru Patsha mentioned the story of Dhruv and Prahlad in Bani form. We need to understand why these characters, these divine figures are so important. So why we remember those six who kept Prosa in our daily ardas. Jinna Singha Sangniya Taram Heshis Ditte. They were the divine figures of Prosa. And the next is introspection is very important, Sat Sangat. What is happening inside us, we know about ourselves. Introspection. We know where we stand. Our Prosa jeda hega o pakya ka nahi hai. And we need to be honest about ourselves. Be sincere about ourselves. एक छोटी जी चोट दे नाल जे साडा भरोसा डोल जे, that is not भरोसा. Then transformation. When we are walking on the path of Gurbani, we need to look at ourselves. What is happening inside? Are we becoming better, or we are standing on the same positions where we were 10 years ago? This transformation is very, very important. That's why Guru Patsha explained this is a Sahaj Marg. Sahaj Marg means we need to contemplate and walk on the path of Gurbani. Then Sahaj Marg means we will transform very slowly. But ultimate transformation will happen with the Vaheguru's blessings. The next is unconditional and unwavering. That is the ultimate prosa, when there is no doubt. The whole world say, okay, just go to somewhere else, leave the door of Guru Nanak or Guru Granth Sahib. But a seeker, the person who has faith on Vaheguru, he will say, no, I will never ever leave. As Baba Farid explains, na, Farida bar par aaye baisna sai mujhe na de, je tu eve raksi jio shariro re. Bar par aaye baisna. Vaheguru ji, don't give me a chance to go to at another doors. Bar par aaye, bar is door. Sai mujhe na de. Such time should never come to my life. Je tu eve raksi. If it happens, jio shariro le, it is better you take my life from my body. I don't want to see that time. Sasangat ji, ਅਸੀਂ ਛੋਟੀਆਂ ਛੋਟੀਆਂ ਗੱਲਾਂ ਤੋਂ ਡੋਲ ਜਾਂਦੇ ਹਾਂ. We need to understand Gurbani. We need to understand Sakhis of those six who sacrificed their lives, but they never renounced their faith. So this quote shared by one of Sangat member, when I shared the poster, one Panji, she shared this beautiful message. Faith sees the invisible, trust in the unbelievable, and receives the impossible. When we say Vaheguru is Nirgun, we cannot prove Nirgun by any logic. We need to keep भरोसा on गुरबाणी. Guru Nanak Patsha saying वाहिगुरु exist, एक ओंकार, सब कुछ हैगा या, invisible है. Trust in the unbelievable and receive the impossible. This is the Guru blessings. And there is one homework for you, Satsangat ji. It's good to reflect on these questions. The first is, what is troubling me now? Because sometimes we feel we are passing through a hard time in our life. We need to identify those troublings. What did I ask? Second one, what did I ask Guru Ji and what did I not get? Because we have long desire, long list of our wishes. We need to identify whatever I desire, did Vaheguru give me or not? What did I get from Guruji even without asking? So we need to make this list. This is your homework, Satsangat ji. Reflect on what can I be thankful for. जो सानू रब ने दिता हैगा आ ਉਹਦੇ ਲਈ ਅਸੀਂ ਕਿੰਨਾ ਕੁ ਉਸ ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਦਾ ਸ਼ੁਕਰ ਕਰਨਾ ਹੈਗਾ ਆ. So we need to remember ਭਰੋਸਾ is very important for our worldly and for our spiritual life. Without this value, we cannot survive in our life. We cannot make our relationship. And when we read Gurbani, we always keep in mind when Guru Patsha mention a word, what is the importance of these words? Each word of Gurbani is very important. Satsangat, we just need to focus on the words. Then there will be transformation in our life. Do ardas. Je davandol hunne hai, koi घबराउण दी लोड़ नहीं हैगी. That's why Guru Patsha mentioned so many verses where Guru Patsha explains to kahe dole prani. Hum dolat bedi paap pari. Asi dol janne hain. No need to worried. Guru is always unsung. Guru is always with me. So Satsangadi, this topic will be continue. Okay, we will discuss about so what are the difficulties, why our brain sometimes we discussed even today कि why we stuck in this journey, why कि साडे भरोसा टुटना क्यों शुरू हो जाता है, what is the reason. So this topic will be continue. Thank you very much for joining us today. Now I am going to off this screen sharing. If you have any question about today's talks, please feel free to ask question, or if you want to give any remarks which is relevant to this topic, I would appreciate your input, Satsangat. Satsangat, if you have any question, please, you can ask in the chat, you can raise your hand. Panji Hardeep, can you unmute yourself, please?
जी, वाहिगुरु जी का खालसा, वाहिगुरु जी की फतेह।
वाहिगुरु जी की फतेह जी।
मैनू याद आ गया शब्द तेरे भरोसे प्यारे मैं लाड लडाया।
जी 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 जी।
वाहिगुरु दे विच भरोसा आ ते असी किन्ना कुछ असी खुशियां मना सकते हैं
जी
ना। ते we should not have doubts. Duality भी ग्रंथ साहिब विच लिखिया है कि सानू दुविधा नहीं होनी चाहिए।
जी
ते दुविधा नहीं होनी चाहिए means we should have faith rather than doubt. So it is true sometimes we dol janne hain, right? We feel that our faith maybe is not so deep enough. We need to have more deep faith and maybe not expect everything to work out for us all the time, right? But have faith in Vaiguruji and his hukam always will rule.
जी Benji.
Thank you, Ji. Thank you, Ji.
Thank you very much, Benji. This is very important, Satsangat, when our children, our children, okay, they always trust on us. Do we fulfill all their desires? Whenever they ask for something, sometimes we definitely give them, but sometimes we don't give. For a short while, they maybe get annoyed, but in the long run, they never keep distance. Similarly, when Vaheguru don't give us whatever we wish, it doesn't mean we should break our relationship with Vaheguru Ji. So that's why Guru Patsha in Gurbani ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਆ ਨਾ ਵੀ ਬਾਲ ਬੁੱਧ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਹੈਗੀ ਆ, the child innocence is very important to walk on this path. ਚਤੁਰਾਈ ਨਾ ਚਤਰ ਭੁਜ ਪਾਇਓ. Not with ਸਿਆਣਪਾਂ, with our worldly wisdom, we cannot achieve this goal. ਚਤੁਰਾਈ ਨਾ ਚਤਰ ਭੁਜ ਪਾਇਓ. Not with our cleverness. We need innocence to walk on this path. Thank you very much, Panji. So let's see Sangat sending questions. Okay. Panji saying, is it wrong to have conditional faith, Ji? Conditional faith means we should have trust in Vaheguru Ji. Sometimes Guru Patsha says, na, ki whatever I wish in Gurbani, jo mango Thakur apne te, soi soi. So this is not a conditional. Actually, we have faith, okay, in Vaheguru Ji ki Vaheguru is with me. He's not separate from me. Whatever I will desire in my life, Vaheguru will give me. So these things are not generally ਜਿਹੜੀ condition based ਹੁੰਦੀਆਂ ਨਾ ਚੀਜ਼, ਇਹ ਹਮੇਸ਼ਾ perfect ਨਹੀਂ ਹੁੰਦੀ. It is not a perfect way of life. Even where there is condition, I don't think there is sincerity, there is honesty. So we shared in details ki unconditional faith is more important. Okay, one iPhone invisibility of faith like almond, we just need to work on opening. Thank you very much. Really, it's very beautiful. ਕਿ ਬਦਾਮ ਜਿਵੇਂ ਬੰਦ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਆ, ਸਾਨੂੰ ਬਸ ਓਪਨ ਦੀ ਲੋਡ ਕਰਨ ਦੀ ਹੈਗੀ ਆ, ਤੇ ਉਹਦੇ ਲਈ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਐਫਰਟ ਪਾਉਣਾ ਪਏਗਾ ਜੀ. ਸਰਦੂਲਵੀਰ ਜੀ, can you unmute yourself? ਸਰਦੂਲਵੀਰ ਜੀ. Sasangat, if you have any question, please feel free to ask. You can raise your hand. Gurvinder ji, please, you give your inputs. Unmute yourself, please. Yeah.
I'm totally agree with you,
जी.
बहुत चंगा लग रहा है सुन के.
जी. Thank you, जी. Thank you very much. Okay. Panji Kirpal, can you unmute yourself, please?
Ji, Vaheguru Ji Ka Khalsa Ji, Vaheguru Ji Ki Fateh. The one thing I've always enjoyed about your lectures, Virji, is that you relate it to our daily life, our daily experiences that are, and I think that makes more sense to me particularly, because you are bringing up the values in Gurbani and then relating it to our everyday life. That I find it very, very beautiful. I also want to say that faith cannot be conditional. It has to be unconditional. It definitely has to be unconditional. And the faith that we are believing, I mean, I'm struggling with it. We are struggling with is only the tip of the iceberg. There's so much more to faith, And the other is that it's two levels, as you said just now, one at the spiritual level and one at our daily life. You were just talking about not giving children anything. This is also faith in our daily life. It's just as important and as it is for spiritual life. And I find that if we can bring a balance between the faith in spirituality and bringing the faith in our daily lives, then perhaps we might move up our spiritual ladder just one step up. Because then we begin to understand relationships in daily life, faith in Gurbani, and then moving from there. It is definitely at many levels, and very often, when we don't get anything, Vaheguru doesn't grant I have come to look at it in a way that when maybe one, I don't deserve it, first of all. And secondly, Waheguru has something better for me. So that's why he doesn't want to give me this one, because he has something better for me. With this, since I started developing this positive attitude in me, it has helped me when I keep on doing my ardas for something that I would like Babaji to give me. So that's my little 2 cents worth. Thank you,
Okay.
Ji.
Thank you very much, Fendi, for your
you,
insightful
Ji.
views. Thank you very much. Vanveer ji, Harcharan Singh ji asking, some scholars are putting a doubt in our mind about the Sakhis. Yeah, you are very right, Veer ji. Absolutely, there are many scholars who are questioning everything. It cannot happen. This is miracle. We will discuss about all these things in our next talk. I will share some words from Gurbani. Then we will understand how Gurbani describes these Sakhis. Even today, when we talk about Bhagat Namdev ji, okay, we know what happened with him. Junju Nama Hargun Uchre. What happened with Dhruv and Prahlad. So if we want to know about them, then definitely we need to read about their Sakhis, what happened with them. So, but the ultimate thing is they kept their faith in Vaheguru Ji. So Guru Patsha always connect us with the divine with ik. So doubt jeda hega, definitely you are very right. We will share all these points in our next talk, and that's why next talk is very, very important. Sardulveer ji, can you unmute yourself if you are able? Deepveer ji, can you unmute yourself, please?
Vaheguru Ji ka Khalsa, Vaheguru Ji Fateh.
Vaheguru Ji ki Fateh ji.
Apinda Ji, my main takeaway from the very beautiful presentation, very in-depth presentation is we need to have full trust and faith only in Vaheguru. This complete trust will then allow us to build relationships with Vaheguru, which in turn allows for the development of a stable, peaceful, and divine-oriented life. But building the trust, full trust, is the biggest challenge that most of us will face. Vaheguru Ji ka Khalsa,
Vaheguru Ji ki Fateh ji. Ji, you are very true. Ki it's not an easy thing to build our 100% faith in Vaheguru Ji, but that's why Guru Patsha gave us Ardas, because sometimes we feel that okay, we are everything. We will discuss, okay, in Gurbani we Guru Patsha never used the word self-confidence. Only Guru Prosa is there. One Virji Openji asking in the, okay, we are talking of Prosa, which is faith. We are talking of faith, and in the word of Vaheguru Ji, as often is personified, we need to know who is Vaheguru Ji. Who is he before we start having a strong faith? Ji. So Vaheguru, how Vaheguru described in Gurbani? In Gurbani, Vaheguru's attributes are described by Guru Patsha in Gurbani. Okay, he is full of love, compassion, kindness, merciful. So to know Vaheguru is mean to know his virtues. And definitely when we read Gurbani, every answer is given by Guru Patsha, because our faith is only in Vaheguru. So what Vaheguru is, Guru Patsha described in Shri Guru Granth Sahib Ji. By Gurdas Ji described in his writings. Guru Gobind Singh Patsha described it. By Nandalal Ji described it. And there were other divine figures like Bhai Veer Singh, Professor Puran Singh. They wrote very beautiful books on all these aspects, on this all this perspective. So definitely, so we need to, means the ultimate thing is just go to Gurbani. What Vaheguru is, epitome of virtues. One Karamjit Ji asking, in the context of present COVID pandemic, we are experiencing, can you suggest some relevance of Prosa during these times? We are seeing lots of disrupt, okay, in familial ties, society just want to have some. So Virji, definitely we are passing through a very difficult time. The whole world is suffering with this, facing this COVID-19. So just imagine कि if I give my example, कि 3 साल हो चले ਅਸੀਂ कर नहीं गए, but with Vaheguru's blessing, with Sangat support, ठीक है, we are still in चढ़ती कला. So when the difficult time comes, sometimes Vaheguru test our faith. So this is our time when Vaheguru is checking us where we stand. So even suicide, okay, people are committing that. ਉਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਜ਼ਿਆਦਾ ਕਿਹੜੇ ਹੁੰਦੇ ਆ? We need to understand those who are drug addicted. So we need to understand कि suicide is not a solution for all these problems. We need to be in Chardhi Kala. To live in Chardhi Kala, that is more important. And we seek Nanak Naam Chardhi Kala twice in our daily ardas. This is Naam centric. Naam strengthens our mind, our willpower. So we need to take shelter of Gurbani. Otherwise, we have no any source. Thank you very much. ਸਾਸੰਗਤ ਜੀ, ਬਹੁਤ ਬਹੁਤ ਧੰਨਵਾਦ ਤੁਹਾਡਾ ਸਾਰਿਆਂ ਦਾ। ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਤੇ ਭਰੋਸਾ, ਗੁਰਬਾਣੀ ਤੇ ਭਰੋਸਾ, ਗੁਰੂ ਦੀਆਂ ਸਾਖੀਆਂ ਤੇ ਭਰੋਸਾ, ਸਾਡੀ ਜ਼ਿੰਦਗੀ ਬਦਲੇਗੀ। ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਕਿਰਪਾ ਕਰਨ ਸਾਰਿਆਂ ਤੇ। ਸੋ ਹੁਣ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਆਪਣੇ ਆਪ ਨੂੰ ਅਨਮਿਊਟ ਕਰਨਾ ਚਾਹੁੰਦੇ ਆ ਜੀ, ਠੀਕ ਹੈ ਜੀ, ਉਹ ਕਰ ਸਕਦੇ ਨੇ। ਆਈ ਐਮ ਗੋਇੰਗ ਜਾਂ ਭੁੱਲ ਚੁੱਕ ਦੀ ਖਿਮਾ ਜੀ। ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ ਕਾ ਖਾਲਸਾ,
ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ ਕੀ
ਫਤਿਹ। ਫਤਿਹ ਜੀ। ਥੈਂਕ ਯੂ ਵੈਰੀ ਮਚ।
Thank you ji.
ਥੈਂਕ ਯੂ ਵੈਰੀ ਮਚ।
ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ ਕਾ ਖਾਲਸਾ,
ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ ਕੀ ਫਤਿਹ।